Have you seen the ads claiming that Wellaray Slim Coffee Booster can help you burn fat, boost your metabolism, increase your energy, and support healthy blood sugar simply by adding a tasteless powder to your morning coffee? It sounds like an effortless solution for weight loss, but does the product actually live up to those promises? After taking a closer look at the available information, the picture is far less convincing than the marketing suggests. Wellaray Slim Coffee Booster is promoted as a metabolism-boosting coffee additive. Yet there are no publicly available clinical studies proving that the finished formula delivers the dramatic weight loss results advertised. Another concern is that the exact dosages of its ingredients are not clearly disclosed, making it difficult to evaluate whether they are present in amounts that could realistically have a meaningful effect. The marketing also raises questions. With heavily polished advertisements, AI-generated promotional content, and testimonials that emphasize impressive transformations without providing reliable scientific evidence. Several online complaints mention recurring subscription charges, difficulties canceling memberships, duplicate billing, and customer service issues. While some buyers report seeing little or no noticeable change in their weight despite using the product as directed. The constant limited-time discounts and urgency tactics are additional warning signs often associated with aggressive supplement marketing rather than proven effectiveness. This does not automatically mean Wellaray Slim Coffee Booster is a scam or that it cannot work for anyone, but the current evidence simply does not support the bold claims made in its advertisements. Sustainable weight loss still depends on maintaining a calorie deficit, eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, getting enough sleep, and building healthy long-term habits rather than relying on a single supplement. If you're thinking about buying Wellaray Slim Coffee Booster, it's worth approaching the claims carefully, reading the ingredient label, checking independent customer experiences, and keeping realistic expectations before spending your money.